Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to Vlogmas. I am still pretty sick right now, which is why we are rocking this look of super pale zombie face and wet braids, and it's pretty late on in the day, which is why the lighting is the way that it is, but we're gonna make it work. We are going to do this thing, and the thing that we are going to do is a pack with me video because it is that time of year again. Amazingly, I'm about to fly home tomorrow to go visit my family for Christmas. My brain hasn't quite caught up with the situation. You know, like when you are kind of aware that something is happening but it hasn't sunk in yet? That's where I am. Like, am I actually going home tomorrow? Is that real life? Doesn't feel like it, and it certainly doesn't feel like it since I have not packed a single thing yet. So I really need to get on that. I love filming pack with me videos with you guys so I can share some of my tips and tricks for packing, and also I hate packing. When you guys are here with me and we make an event of it, it's definitely more bearable. I don't feel like I'm gonna be packing that much this time, she says every time she packs anything to go anywhere. But realistically, I don't need to take that much stuff home because a lot of stuff that I need will already be there. I won't need like a bunch of toiletries. A lot of my clothes are still there, pajamas, towels and stuff. Like, that is my second home, so a lot of stuff is already there. So realistically, I'm taking 3 categories of things that I will take to use while I'm home for those 3 weeks, things that I realize that I just do not need here and that are taking up space, and things that I just do not want or need anymore that can go home and like go to the charity shop or be recycled, because I've not worked out the recycling situation here. So you can tell I'm procrastinating because this is the world's longest introduction. Let's just get on with it, shall we? Okay, here she comes. My big old It luggage case, which has served me so well over the years. I should be able to get away with just taking this big one and my handbag. I don't think I'm gonna need a cabin bag as well. Oh, so I completely forgot when I flew out here a few months ago, my suitcase actually broke. So there's a little hole in the bottom, which is not ideal, but we're gonna have to make it work. The good thing is these It luggage suitcases have a 10-year warranty. This one is still under warranty, so I can go and get it exchanged. I just hope they still have this design because I love this design. And of course, you gotta have the packing cubes, which make the whole process so much easier. So now it's just a case of choosing what I want to take with me, and usually I lay all that stuff out at least 24 hours in advance. Like, I spend the week before I go anywhere making a list of everything I want to take. Haven't done that this time because I don't deep down believe that I'm going anywhere. So this should be interesting. We're kind of just gonna do it on the fly. Okay, so I have this entire drawer of thick woolen like winter wear that has been completely useless to me. Last year when I was living in Kuwait, I packed like no winter wear because I didn't expect it to get that cold, and then it was freezing. And then here in Bahrain, it stayed mild the whole time. Like, I'm still going out in shorts and t-shirts. So I have a whole drawer full of knitwear that I will never use. So that's all gonna go home with me to make space for, I don't know, something. So on the toiletries side of things, I'm not gonna need to take that much because most things I either have a duplicate of at home or my mom has one. So I'm not gonna need to take very much in my toiletry bag. I'm gonna take my cleansing bar, which may or may not fit in this case. I'm gonna take some hair stuff. I'm pretty sure I have duplicates of both of these back in my other home. I'm gonna say yes and hope for the best. And then I want my perfume. Don't need toothpaste because my parents will have some. Let's take my shampoo bar, my conditioner bar. I'm gonna take some whitening gel to whiten my teeth while I'm home, because why not? 'Tis the season to have extra teeth that are super white. And some deodorant. Okay, there's that. Okay, next is the big one, which is makeup. And I'm gonna be using some makeup tomorrow. So what I think I'll do is anything I'm going to use tomorrow, which is generally the makeup I use every day, can go in this bag, and then anything I want to take home can go in this bag, and this can go in my case right now. So let's see what I want to take with me. Okay, I want to take my extra concealer, I want to take my eyeshadow palettes, I want to take, that won't even fit, so I don't know why I'm bothering. I'll take my red lipstick because it's Christmas. I basically want to take everything. This is the bag that is going to go into my suitcase, and then this can just go into my hand luggage tomorrow once I'm done with it. And now I'm covered in makeup, and I was going to wear these leggings on the plane tomorrow, so that's awesome. So I'm not going to be packing my hand luggage tonight just because I only have one handbag and I need to take it to work tomorrow. I don't fly until late tomorrow night, so I have plenty of time to deal with that then. But what I'm going to do right now is write myself a list of all the things that either need to get put into my case last minute that I'm going to need to use between now and then, or things that need to go into my hand luggage so I don't forget anything. Phone and charger, passport, I need my purse and money. At least now that I have this list, like 24 hours before I need to leave tomorrow, if I think of anything else, I can just add it to the list. I'm not like leaving it to the last minute to make sure I have everything, so that's good. And now I just need to throw everything into the case. Hold absolutely everything, because I almost just forgot every single person's Christmas present that I've bought here. How bad would that have been? Also shoes. I didn't pack any shoes. What am I thinking? Oh my goodness, this is terrible. So I've come to the point where I've realized there's not quite enough space because my mom's gift is quite big and I don't want to crush it because it was expensive. But it just seems like such hassle to take a whole extra cabin bag just for that. I'm thinking, like, is there anything I could take out that I don't need? I haven't even put my shoes in yet. Ugh, this is why I hate packing. There are always unexpected dilemmas to deal with. So everything fits. Oh wait, no, I left out this packing cube. Okay, maybe everything will fit, who knows, maybe it won't. Okay, now everything is inside and I feel like I'm missing a lot. I know I'm not, and I know I still have to pack my hand luggage tomorrow, but I just feel a little bit antsy for some reason. Also, the hole in my suitcase is getting bigger and bigger, and it's at the bottom, which is the worst place for it to be, because when I'm dragging the suitcase, like, it's just gonna get worse. So as long as it can make it through tomorrow, just get me home with this suitcase without everything falling out. That wasn't too bad. Oh my gosh, I didn't put my shoes in. No. I'm definitely gonna have to take the cabin bag. That's what's happening. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna zip it up again just because I'm nervous about that zip. The shoes are in, the toiletries are in, the presents are in, the clothes are in. I think that's pretty much everything. I'm just gonna wear the other pair of shoes that I was going to pack. Like, okay, I'm gonna be a little bit extra wearing my boot heels on a night flight, but who cares? So everybody keep your fingers crossed for tomorrow and just pray that A, my suitcase holds out, B, it's underweight because I have no way to weigh it, but it doesn't feel that heavy, and C, that I don't forget anything because I still have my hand luggage to pack. But for now, I feel like this is a job well done and I've earned a break and something to eat because I'm hungry. But thank you guys so much for joining me for another day of Vlogmas fun. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. And until tomorrow, remember that I love you all so much, and I will see you all soon. Bye!